Walmart, SparkDriver, and Instacart do not use the same pay system, so your weekly earnings can look very different depending on how each platform sends you work. By the end, you'll know how SparkDriver and Instacart compare for weekly pay, what affects your earnings on each app, and how to decide which platform fits your driving style. The biggest difference is the type of work. SparkDriver focuses on Walmart delivery opportunities, while Instacart is built around grocery shopping and delivery orders from different retailers. For SparkDriver, your earnings depend on the offers available in your area, the deliveries you accept, and how consistently you complete orders. The amount you make can change because demand, order availability, and local conditions affect the opportunities shown in the app. For Instacart, earnings are connected to the batches available in your market. A batch can involve shopping for items, communicating about substitutions, and completing the delivery process. The first section to compare is time spent working. SparkDriver may be a better fit for someone who prefers delivery-focused tasks after receiving an offer. Instacart may work better for someone comfortable spending extra time inside stores selecting items before delivery. The second section is flexibility. Both platforms allow drivers to choose when they work, but the amount of available work depends on your location and demand. A driver in one city may see very different opportunities than a driver in another area. The third section is expenses. Both platforms require drivers to consider costs connected to using their own vehicle, including fuel, maintenance, and other driving expenses. Your actual profit depends on what remains after those costs. If you are choosing between SparkDriver and Instacart, compare the apps in your own area instead of relying only on general reviews. Track your completed orders, time spent working, and expenses for a few weeks to see which platform performs better for you. The main points are simple. SparkDriver and Instacart use different work models. Weekly pay depends on available opportunities, and your real results depend on your market, schedule, and expenses. Your next step is to sign into both platforms if you have access, compare the available work in your area, and track your results before deciding where to focus your time. If this guide helped you understand the difference between SparkDriver and Instacart pay, like the video and subscribe for more delivery driver guides.